Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Baby-Warplane RC Airplane Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
The Baby-Warplane RC Airplane is a 2.4 GHz remote control glider made from durable EPP foam for lightweight strength. Designed as a warplane-style model, it offers smooth gliding performance and easy control. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, this RC aircraft ensures exciting and reliable flying fun.
Number 3.
The Seaplane TF350 Amphibious aircraft is a 2.4 GHz 3CH glider toy designed for water and land use. Equipped with an intelligent gyroscope for stable flight and LED lights for night fun, it's perfect for beginners and hobbyists seeking versatile flying experiences.
Number 2.
The EPO Foam RC Airplane G44 EP Seaplane features a 1,210mm wingspan with a powerful twin-motor design. Built from durable EPO foam, it offers stable flight and smooth water or land takeoff. Available as KIT or PNP, ideal for hobbyists and collectors.
Number 1.
This new water, land, and air waterproof fixed-wing electric aircraft model is built with durable EPP foam for strength and lightweight performance. Designed for water takeoff, it flies smoothly over land and air. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, this RC aircraft ensures versatile fun.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.